Hey folks, glad you're still watching Georgia TV now. You know what time it is. We're the absolute best of South Georgia. And we caught up with one Dwayne right here at the Holiday Inn, Waycross, Georgia. Hey buddy. And of course, Dwayne is the general manager here for Oscars, which is an awesome nightlife spot. And tell everyone where we are right now, man.
We're inside Lydia's restaurant.
And of course, it's more than a restaurant. This is an actual meeting center,
It
right?
is a meeting facility.
You guys can put how many people in back here?
150.
150 people. You got, they do anniversary, birthdays, small groups, large groups. A lot of companies use you guys,
A lot
right?
of companies come in.
AV facilities, drop-down screens, wireless internet. Lydia's is known, of course, there's a buffet here every day from 11 to 2, right?
Best buffet
And then
in
from
town.
4 o'clock on, you guys are serving some awesome food. You see some of it in front of me right now. You hand-cut your steaks back there,
Every
don't
one
you?
of them. Every one of them.
I understand a lot of business people use this place as well, right?
They do. A bunch of business people come in here, have their.
You see the guys, their laptops flipped open, and
Yes.
they're, right. Great place to come after work. Also, a great place for the family to come and
Good
eat,
place
right?
for family to come in.
Folks, let me tell you something right now. Oscars for nightlife, Lydia's for the business side, right?
We'll get it covered all
Here's
the
where
way.
you tell them to keep watching the best of South Georgia, man.
Keep coming watching the best of South Georgia. Jeff, you're gonna have to pay for that, buddy.